to say right now, from me to you, heart to heart, just a person sitting behind that computer or your phone, whatever you're watching this on, that I appreciate you. You are special, you are unique, and don't let anybody tell you that you aren't. Period. That's it. You're put here for a reason, guys. No matter what you believe in, no matter how you were raised, maybe nobody's even told you this before, but I believe we were all put here for a reason, and you can make a difference in this world however you like, and you already have. You already made a difference in my life without even knowing it, so thank you.